guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making
fluffy Japanese pancakes.
Coming up. To begin, add in 2 egg yolks into a mixing bowl. A 1/4 cup of white sugar, let's give that a whisk and combine both ingredients. Now, add in 1/2 cup of milk. Let's give that a whisk and make sure we don't have any lumps from the sugar. Add in 3/4 cup of pancake mix. And you probably know the drill by now. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Keep whisking until you have a nice and smooth batter. No lumps, please. Now, set it aside. In another mixing bowl, add in 4 egg whites. Beat the egg whites with a hand mixer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, combine the egg whites and the batter. Carefully fold the egg whites into the pancake batter until just incorporated, making sure not to deflate the batter. Grease 2 3½ metal ring molds and set them in the middle of a pan over low heat. Fill the molds about 3/4 of the way full with the batter. Cover the pan and cook for about 15 minutes or until the center of the pancakes are slightly jiggly. Release the pancakes from the bottom of the pan with a spatula. Then, carefully flip them over, making sure not to spill any batter inside. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Serve with butter, maple syrup, and berries. And there you guys have it. Super moist, super delicious Japanese pancakes. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to press that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Bye! Thanks for watching!